Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a higher paper here, paper 3, question 20, about functions. We've got f of x to be 2x minus 3 and g of x equal x squared plus 2. Now they've asked us to find g of minus 4, so that's simple substitution. So you go to g and we put minus 4 in wherever we see x. So minus 4 squared, which is 16, plus the 2, should be 18. For 1 mark. Then they've asked us to show that g of f of x is 4x squared plus 12x plus 11. Now I like show that because then if we get that as the answer, we know we're right. So understand that g of f of x means we take f of x, which is 2x minus 3, and we put that into g. So we don't actually do from left to right, we do from inside to out. So then g says take whatever you have, square it, and then add 2. So now 2x minus 3, now I'll do both brackets here, just to make sure that I don't make mistakes, and I get 4x squared. I'm happy with that because we need that. Minus 6x is minus 12x, plus 9. I've copied that down wrong there, that should be a minus there. Minus 9, but then I've got that 2 on the outside. So then I've got that 4x squared minus 12x plus 11, which is as required. 4x squared minus 12x plus 11. I had to expand the bracket and then add 2. Okay, and then lastly, I've asked us to solve f of g of x equal to g of f of x. Now we've got g of f of x, we've got 4x squared minus 12x plus 11. Now I've got to find g of x and put it into x. Now g of x was x squared plus 2, and we're putting that into wherever we had f. Now f was 2x minus 3. So 2 of that minus 3. So 2x squared plus 4 minus 3 equal to f of x squared minus 12x plus 11. I'm going to try and bring all my x squareds to one side. Bring them all to here. So I've got 2x squared. I've got no x terms on their own, so I've just got minus 12x. Plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1, so I'm going to subtract 1 there, and plus 10. Now I find it easier when they're all on the left-hand side. It doesn't actually make a difference. I'm going to divide through by 2. X squared minus 6x plus 5. And can I then find factors of 5 that sum to 6, or 5 and 1. They've got to be positive, but they've got to sum to negative, so they've got to both be negative. Then x is 5 or x is 1. And there we are. That's functions. And I've had to use some substitution, some rearrangement, and then some solving with quadratics and factorizing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.